Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the Transit Custom Limited double cabin van. It's the 320 long wheelbase in chrome blue. Just go through some exterior features of the van. You've got the daytime running lights there, halo effect wrapped around the headlights. You've also got the alloy wheels, privacy glass for the rear row of seats. And on these vans, we've got reversing cameras. Now, because this is the long wheelbase version of the double cabin van, you do get a substantial load compartment. So it still acts as a very, very practical vehicle, despite having some room taken up by that second row of seats through there. You do also have a glazed bulkhead, so you can see your loads when you're driving along. So the second row of seats is just here. Please excuse the stickers and everything. It has literally just arrived into stock with us. You can see the leather seats there, room for 3 passengers. They're also ISOFIX, so you can fit child seats in there, and fairly substantial leg room as well. In the front of the van, you can see the 8-inch touchscreen there with the Ford Sync 3 system. All the climate control and heated seats are controlled from below that screen. The screen itself shows the reversing camera. It's also got satellite navigation in this vehicle, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity. Cruise control is controlled from the buttons on the steering wheel. And again, just like the rear, we've got room for 3 people in the front, the driver and 2 passengers. The driver gets the captain's chair with the armrest. So this is the Ford Transit Limited double cabin van. It's the long wheelbase L2 version of the van. It's got the 185 brand new PS engine in, 6-speed manual gearbox in chrome blue. They're a very well sought after vehicle, these double cabin vans. If you'd like any information on this one or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.